Students, today we discuss the topic linear equation in two variable. Some students have so many problems to how the condition of this. We have to find the graph of that is which is intersect at a given point, which is also parallel and which is also at coincidental line. यानी कि कुछ बच्चों को ग्राफ के कंडीशंस के बारे में कैसे होता है या कैसे किसी इक्वेशन को हम पता करते हैं कि दिस इक्वेशन इज द यूनिक सॉल्यूशन एंड हाउ दिस इक्वेशन इज नो सॉल्यूशन और दिस इज इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन। तो आज हम उसी टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले यह जानेंगे व्हाट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन। तो इन माय प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई टोल्ड यू दैट an equation whose degree is 1 and a polynomial having degree is 1, that is known as linear equation in one variable, means that is it is of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, that is a is not equal to 0. We have to say that. Now what is the linear equation in two variable? First of all, write this: an equation is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. If we have to put a is equal to 0, then this is by plus c is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable. And if b is also equal to 0 and a is also equal to 0, this is constant, that is known as constant polynomial. Now this form, an equation is of the form this is where a is not equal to, is called linear equation in two variable x and y. Now how to solve the some graphical equations? तो डायरेक्ट हम उस पॉइंट पे आते हैं. सपोज वी हैव टू गिवन टू साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन मीन्स दैट इज दो इक्वेशंस अगर एक साथ दिया हुआ हो तो that is known as simultaneous linear equations. Here this is in the form of, that is, if suppose that is let two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Again that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now if we have given two equations, then I ask you questions कि solve graphically. तो first of all we have to write the condition, yeah, we have to know all the conditions for the graph कि how a graph will intersect to each other or how it is parallel or how it is coincidental. That is now this first one is, suppose that is if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, means that is the coefficient of x for first equation and the coefficient of x for second equation. Similarly this and coefficient of this. Therefore here therefore equation has unique solution. And in many books it is also given that it is consistent. It is consistent and the graph, what is the graph of this? Which is intersecting at a common point. That is, look here, this is in this type. Now the graph will be in this type. This, suppose this is x axis, y axis, that is x, origin x dash negative of this y, that is minus y, and both graph, this first line ka graph and the second line, that is L1 and L2. This point is point of intersection. This is known as point of intersection. Now this, if we find solve graphically, then if two lines intersect each other, this common point is the solution of the given equation, that is x is equal to something that given and y also, because this is intersect from this. Okay. Second one, if the equation has unique solution, then we have to solve this type of equation in three types, three methods. That is first, elimination method, second, substitution, and third one is cross multiplication. Second one, first, that is second one, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, equation has no solution and it is inconsistent, and the graph will be, that is a parallel line. What is parallel line? A line, two lines which do not intersect at each other for everywhere, and the distance between them for everywhere is same. That is this type. Now, if we have to find this graph, that is x, O, origin, x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. Now the graph will be find to this type of this, that is L1 and L2. Now the third condition is, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is also equal to C1 upon C2. Therefore, equation has infinitely many solution. So it is also consistent, and its graph will be coincide या coincidental line या coincide, that is coincide to each other. That is this type. Now what is the coincide? Now we understand this type, that is x, which is origin. If two lines intersect at a point perpendicularly, then this point is, that is origin, and this is the negative sign of x-axis, negative side of x-axis, that is x dash, y minus y dash. Okay. Therefore, the graph will be this type. One line, that is both the graph will be lies on only one line. This is coincidental line. That is L1 and L2. You understand? Now, if we have to solve the questions, then first of all, we have to compare these equations, and then we proceed our steps by steps, and to solve how a question easily find with graph, and how a solution will be find to graphically. Okay.